Strangers will never wish you evil. It's always those who laugh and chill with you. So be careful. Teach yourself not to announce good news until everything is sealed, because early announcement attract evil spirits. When a giver becomes broke, the receiver says the giver did not plan his life well when he had money. So please do not rely on people because they do change easily. Today I'm going to teach you something special. How to build a magnetic personality very easily when everyone never leaves you. 1. Show genuine interest in others by asking thoughtful questions and listening actively. Those people always want to hear positive comments about them like, "I'm proud of you," "keep pushing." When everything is trying to bring you down, find one reason to keep you going up. One of those sentences or all of them will make them have interest in you and want to hear more from you. 2. Maintain eye contact and smile naturally to create a warm and approachable vibe. Show them kindness at the first sight. Let them know that God loves them. That will make them feel good and start trusting in you. 3. Keep posture open and confident. Stand tall and avoid crossing your arms. This is because everyone wants to receive a sign that puts his mind at ease and fills his or her heart with hope. So someone to trust you and what you are saying, you must be still and ready. 4. Develop a personal style that reflects who you are and wear it with confidence. As you get older, you start to pay attention to people's mindset rather than their looks. This will give you confidence to talk to everyone, and you will develop personal style that reflects who you are. People will trust in you, and they will be inquiring from you. 5. Stay calm in stressful situations and respond with empathy to others' feelings. Never forget what other people told you when they were angry. Those statements are very important. They teach you a lot about how others really think about you from deep inside their hearts. This applies to you in stressful situations. This is why you should be so mindful about your language. Remember this, there is a game called life. Even if you win, you'll still die. So why the hate? This may be the last time you see me on your page, so do not miss out. Subscribe for more future advice and comment to let me know what you think. I appreciate your maximum support always. Bye-bye.